Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to create or send photo emoji on Google Messages. Let's see how to create. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Google Message, make sure update Google Message app on your phone and go to Message app, click on emoji icon and select photo. Photo emoji create done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.